For the most part, all paralegals are kind of the right hand to the lawyers.
Being a paralegal, you get to work beside lawyers and research the law.
Here at Delaware County Community College, we offer an associate degree in applied science for paralegal studies, and then we also offered a certificate in proficiency for paralegal studies.
I love my classes. They're all taught by practicing attorneys.
Benefit is they're getting real-world experience. The lawyers are coming in and telling them how they're using their paralegals, and actually they're able to report on how the market trends and how it's changing, so they're always getting current information on the use of paralegals in the field.
They generally have a mindset that they want to see you do well.
And they engage you, they want you to do your best, and they will slow down to make sure you do your best.
So they make themselves available not only during classroom time, but through email, office hours, to really make sure that the students are successful when they leave the program.
They are so engaging. They get the class excited about the law because they're excited about the law.
I think Delaware County Community College offers a really hands-on approach to training our students. They get practical experience, but we also offer them internships, workshops that bring in professionals, additional courses that supplement their classes where they get to network with legal professionals in the field.
I chose Delaware County Community College because it's ABA approved.
Because it is very affordable, especially because I live in the county.
Less expensive than some of the alternatives out there.
They have a very dedicated financial aid staff, and they have various scholarship programs.
I honestly couldn't be happier with my decision to come to this college.
My decision to come to Delaware County Community College was probably one of the best decisions I made in my life.
I'm so happy I came here.
It's very fulfilling, and it's helping me take my life to another level.